So, some folks, they get this tune-up in a bottle stuff. You know, I have heard of it, don't get me wrong. You know, and I get where they're going with that shit, but I don't like to do tune-up in a bottle. I like to do tune-up in a big fucking jug. Jug like this one. So went and I bought 9 gallons of gas because I figured I had about a gallon left. Down there. Oh. All right. It's a gallon of 100% genuine lacquer thinner. Right into the gas tank. So we're gonna definitely, you know, this is, I'd say it's a tool. You know, it's a big ass truck. I'm just gonna clean it out, and you know, it's gonna improve the flow and leveling, and helps resist blushing. So yeah, I don't know what my truck could blush about. I mean, this bitch has so clearly been abused. Really, not much left. There we go. All right. So when you're done, dispose of the jug ecologically, and you're done. I figured you'd enjoy that.